Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. This crash course is exclusively for Prelims 2020. Only topics which are relevant for Prelims 2020 are covered in this crash course. It saves your time during the last minute preparation. So I request all of you to please download the PDF study material. Link is provided in the description box below. Let's begin with today's topic. Vayu, that is wind augmented purifying unit. It is an air pollution control device which can purify air in an area of 500 meters square. It was developed by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute CSIR NEERI as a part of technology development project being funded by Department of Science and Technology. Crop residue burning. National Green Tribunal, that is NGT, has banned crop residue burning in the states of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Biocoal. Torrefaction India is testing Swedish technology that can convert rice stubble into biocoal. The technology involves heating up straw, grass, sawmill residue and wood biomass to 250 degrees centigrade to 350 degrees centigrade. Arsenic contamination of groundwater. 21 states across the country have pockets with arsenic levels higher than the Bureau of Indian Standards BIS stipulated permissible limit of 0.01 milligram per liter, that is mg per liter. The states Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Assam are the worst affected. Falcon Mark Index. This index is most commonly used measure of water scarcity. It defines water scarcity in terms of the total water resources that are available to the pollution of a region. Atal Bhujal Yojana. This is a scheme to improve the groundwater of the country. Atal Bhujal Yojana has been launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti. It is a central sector scheme to improve groundwater management through community participation in identified priority areas. It covers 7 states, that is Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is a reproductive strategy that involves development of a female gamete without fertilization, development of an embryo from an unfertilized egg. It also found in plants, insects, animals and other invertebrates. Offspring from parthenogenesis tends to be clones of the parent. World Energy Outlook 2019. International Energy Agency has released WEO 2019, that is World Energy Outlook. IEA is an organization by OECD set up in 1974 to help countries collectively respond to oil supply disruptions. Its headquarters is in Paris. A candidate country to the IEA must be a member country of the OECD. Clean coal technologies. These are the technologies which reduces the pollutants like sulfur, NOx, carbon monoxide in coal and make to comparatively clean. These technologies are discussed below, which is important from examination point of view. Coal washing removes unwanted minerals by mixing crushed coal with a liquid and allowing the impurities to separate and settle. Wet scrubbers or flue gas desulfurification system minimizes sulfur dioxide emissions from burning of coal, which is a major cause of acid rain. Low nitrogen oxide burners. It reduces the creation of nitrogen oxides, a cause of ground level ozone. Electrostatic precipitators. It removes particulate that aggravate asthma and cause respiratory ailments. National Center for Clean Coal Research and Development. It was inaugurated at Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru by Ministry of Science and Technology. Anthropocene epoch. Anthropocene working group has voted in favor of designating a new geological epoch, the Anthropocene. The term Anthropocene was coined in 2000 by Nobel laureate Paul Crutzen and Eugene Stormer to denote the present geological time interval in which human activity has profoundly altered many conditions and processes on Earth. Room of the River project. Kuttanadu in Kerala is remained submerged during floods and it is below the mean sea level. To make it sustainable, one of the flagship projects of the Netherlands government, that is Room of the River, is to be replicated in Kerala's Kuttanad. It is a flood mitigation initiative which is aimed at protecting areas adjoining rivers from routine flooding and improving water management systems in delta regions. Kuttanad below sea level farming system. Kuttanad is a delta region situated below sea levels along the west coast of Kerala, known as State's Rice Bowl. Only system in India that practices rice cultivation below sea level over 150 years ago. It was declared by the Flood and Agriculture Organization as a globally important agriculture heritage system. Other GIAHS in India are Koraput Traditional Agriculture of Odisha, Pampur Saffron Heritage of Kashmir. National Guidelines for Preparation of Action Plan, Prevention and Management of Heat Wave. According to IMD, heat wave is considered if maximum temperature of a station reaches at least 40 degrees centigrade or more for plains, 37 degrees centigrade or more for coastal station, and at least 30 degrees centigrade or more for hilly regions. Following criteria are used to declare heat wave. To declare heat wave, the above criteria should be met at least in 2 stations in a meteorological subdivision for at least 2 consecutive days, and it will be declared on the second day. It is important from examination point of view, so please make note of it. These details are also provided in the PDF. Heat wave has not been notified as a disaster as defined under the Disaster Management Act 2005 by the government. Simultaneous cyclones in Arabian Sea. Cyclone Kar and Cyclone Maha have prevailed simultaneously over the Arabian Sea, occurred for the first time since 1965. Corporate Average Fuel Efficiency Economy Regulation, that is CAFE regulation. This CAFE regulation is to curb the vehicular pollution. This regulation is on vehicle manufacturers to produce fuel efficient vehicles. It aims at lowering fuel consumption of vehicles by lowering carbon dioxide CO2 emissions. CAFE regulations come into force in 2017, under which average corporate CO2 emission from vehicle must be less than 130 gram per kilometer till 2022 and below 113 gram per kilometer thereafter. Composite Water Management Index. NITI Aayog released the version. Measure different dimensions of water management and use across the life cycle of water. As per the among non-Himalayan states, Gujarat hold on to its rank 1, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In northeastern and Himalayan states, Himachal Pradesh ranks first, followed by Uttarakhand, Tripura and Assam. Puducherry has been declared as the top ranker among UTs. 80% of the states have shown improvement in their water management scores over the last 3 years. India aims to get rid of single-use plastics by 2022. Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2018 defines minimum thickness of plastic carry bags, that is 50 microns. Microplastics or microbeads are plastic pieces or fiber which is very small, generally measuring less than 1 millimeter. They enter water bodies, they accumulate as act as carriers for other pollutants. Plastic crust, new kind of pollution. Researchers have found a new type of rock formation, a thin coating of plastic that's growing on the rocks at the seashore. It is being called the plastic crust. Disability adjusted life years, that is DALY. DALY is a measure of overall disease burden expressed as the number of years lost due to ill health, disability or early death. Gogabil. Gogabil has been declared as Bihar's first community reserve. It is an oxbow lake in Bihar's Kitira district. It is formed from the flow of the rivers Mahananda and Khankar in the north and the Ganga in the south and east. Singhang Bigun Village Community Reserve. It is a community reserve launched by Bugan community of Singhang village, Arunachal Pradesh, by joining hands with the forest department. It borders the Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary situated in Tempura, Assam. That's it for today. Please subscribe to Thinkers IAS for more updates on other crash courses. Please download the PDF. Using this PDF, you can revise the entire environment and ecology current affairs for prelims 2020 in just 80 pages, which also saves your time. Link is provided in the description box below, so please download the PDF. Thank you.